Guys, so many of you all asked my 10th board result. So here it is. I just got 90% in my boards and I'm happy with it actually. So yeah, thank you so much for those who all gave your kind and sweet wishes. Thank you so much for everything. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a try-on wig. That is, I have two wigs which I'm going to share with you in this video. This is going to be a very fun and cute video. So if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start the video. So before starting to wear the wigs, we have to comb our hair in a proper way so that and when it sits the hair doesn't come out and the wig sits in place very well. So for that what you're going to do is do a two braid, which is very important, and we're going to tie a bun. So let's start with the two braid.
So for starting the two braid, I've divided my hair into two and started to braid my hair. So I fast forward the video so that you do not get bored. So I'm braiding my hair and I'm tying it with the help of a rubber band, and we are braiding our hair so that it stays strong. And now you can see I'm going to do the same thing to the other part. Now the two braids, I'm going to twist it well and round it into a bun so that it stays very strong and is very nice, and it will help the wig to stay for a longer time and will not fall down. And I'm securing it with some nice strong clips and bobby pins so that it doesn't come out, and our bun is done.
So now you can see our hair is secured and it's fully purely done. So now what you're going to do is take our wig. So I've kept this in this cover. You can see this. I hope you can see it's there in this cover. And now let's take it out and put it in the hair. So yeah,
I'm removing the wig from the plastic wrap which I've done, and this is a full wig from the forehead till the back. It's a short hair one and looks really nice. The hairs are silky and it has bangs too. It's amazing. And now we're gonna put it, and then I'm going to set it to my hair so that it looks so original. And what I'm going to do is set the hair very well on my hair. Now take a mirror and a comb, and I'm combing it so that it looks so natural and nice that no one finds out it is a wig. So I'm going to comb the hair so that it looks all natural and neat. Now you can see the final look. It looks amazing. I don't know whether it's suiting me, but yeah, I am really impressed with it. And now it's time to remove the wig, and I'm going to show you how to remove the wig. So I've put 2-3 clips so that it's secured and nice, and then I'm going to start pulling it from the forehead, and it'll come very easily. You don't have to put any pressure. And now you can see I've taken it off. It's very easy to take off. And now what I'm going to do is keep this aside, and let's begin with the second one. Moving the second one from the same cover, this is only a extension of the hair, and it has an amazing bow which gives an amazing look. It is fully curled and amazing, all full glowing. What we have to do is on top of our bun we have to just clip it. It has a clipper which you have to clip it and secure it really well, and that's it. This wig is very simple to attach and looks really pretty, especially when you want nice curls, brown hair and glossy glowing hair. This looks amazing. You can see how it looks and feels so good to wear this. Show you how to remove this as well. It's very simple. You just have to remove the clipper, and we're just going to fold it into half and secure it and keep it in the polythene bag again. This is very easy, and you have to safeguard it from all the dust and all. So you have to keep it in a nice Ziploc bag which I've used. So I'm folding even the first wig and keeping it just like that. This will keep it protected and very well. This is the third wig which I have. This is the same thing as the second one, so that is why I didn't show you all. And that's it. Now I'm going to remove my hair, and you can see I've removed all the clips, and you can see this.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, and do share it with your friends so that even they can have a jolly time by seeing this video and having some fun when they're just sitting bored at their home. So I hope you enjoyed the video and saw my two wigs and enjoyed really well. So thank you so much for watching, and let's see in the next video. Bye.